Hi, it's Carolina from Always Expect More. Today we're working on some embroidery basics and I'm showing you the straight stitch. Ready? Let's get started. With your threaded needle, start from the back and come up at your line. Bring your stitch backwards onto the line. Pull your thread through. Come back up about the same distance as your last stitch in front of your previous one and stitch back again, going in the hole you came out of before. Coming out. And then going back in. You can make your stitches as long or as short as you like. The straight stitch is great for outlining or making lines. If you use small short stitches, you can use the straight stitch for curves as well. That's the basics of the straight stitch. Be sure to follow us for more great tips. Ask any questions or leave comments below, and thanks for watching.